Good day, I'm Marketing Dan. If you sell digital products, this video is for you. It is for digital product vendors only. So if you sell or plan to sell any kind of digital content, anything from ebooks and training courses to plugins, desktop tools, or web-based software services, be sure to check this out today. And if you're not into selling digital products, you can move on to the next video. So today I'm going to be talking about FTM sites. What does it mean? FTM stands for Fixed Term Membership Site. And building one of these is our favorite ways to increase sales. So let me explain what I mean. If you build a typical monthly membership site which goes on forever and ever and ever, then each month you send new content to your members and each month they pay their monthly fee. Now the problem with that is your members can't see an end to the site. So they bail after about 3 or 4 months. But a fixed term membership site is different because you set it up for a fixed term. For example, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months. These are also similar to split payment terms, where instead of paying $500 to $1,000 up front, you let your members pay you monthly over 6 to 12 months at a fixed payment. That's the similarity. We've tested all sorts of these out over the years and done work like crazy to get to the bottom of this, to get like lower refund rates, defaults, and higher customer lifetime value. So let me give you an example of this. Is like if you upload 6 months worth of training or 6 months worth of PLR content or something else, when the term ends, the members don't get billed any longer and they don't get new content. So what's the benefit of this? Let's talk about that quickly. When your members see a clear end in sight, they're more likely to stick around. Okay. So instead of bailing at 3 months, you can get them to stick around for 6 months, 9 months, or more, whatever your term is. The point is, people like to finish what they've started, which means more money in your pocket for you. So there's another benefit for this method as well. You can build a nice customer mailing list. Plus, you can recommend products on the back end of your membership site. So not only do you pull in a flurry of residual subscriptions fees every month, but you can pull in plenty of new sales as well. So not only do you pull in a flurry of residual subscription fees every month, but you can pull in plenty of new sales as well. The secret is to automate everything so you aren't tied each month to delivering or creating new content. It is automated. So how do you do that? You can drip feed the content. If you're using a platform like, for instance, Product Dyno, you can set up these sites super fast and schedule content months ahead or schedule just within a few clicks. Now add your new FTM membership offer to your existing sales funnels behind your lead magnets. Link it from your blog posts or social messages, like on social media. Essentially everywhere you can. So once you've built one site, you'll want to build more. With Product Dyno, it is possible. You can even clone an existing site and just switch out the logos and content, and you'll be ready with the next site to start profiting from it. And here's a kicker. The revenue can mount up fast as well. Add just one person a day into a 6-month fixed term. So a total of $120 customer value for the year. And at the end of the month, you'll be looking at an additional monthly income of $600 for the next 6 months. So if you create just 3 new FTM sites over the next 3 months and add Just one new member per site per day, and you probably just covered your mortgage and car payments every month. How does that sound? And then you just rinse and repeat for more income. With Product Dyno, it's quick and it's easy to build out these sites and so much more. It is a perfect solution for anyone selling any kind of digital product. Right now, you sell digital products, you can take advantage of this exclusive deal. Don't miss out, lock in the savings and get started today. Get your next FTM membership up and running this week. If you're interested on getting onto this platform, Product Dyno, selling digital products, please give it a watch. And at the end of watching this clip, please consider liking this video, subscribe, and you can click on the link in the description below the video. You can do it now or you can do it after watching the next clip. The vendor of this product is Promote Labs. They are reputable. They've been in business for years. So feel free, check it out. See you on the inside.
In a world overflowing with digital content, Product Dyno stands out as the ultimate powerhouse for creators. It's not just a platform, it's your gateway to simplified success. Are you ready to dominate the digital learning space? Meet Product Dyno, the all-in-one solution for your online knowledge business. With Product Dyno, the possibilities are endless. Craft captivating online courses, set up membership sites with ease, and distribute digital downloads effortlessly. But that's not all. Product Dyno is more than just a platform, it's a comprehensive toolkit. You get a built-in website builder, seamless payment solutions, and the incredible potential of viral marketing at your fingertips. Ready to stand out with your online presence? Don't miss out. Get started today. Let your creativity flow with live content editor and learning management system. Build engaging courses, keep track of your learners' progress, and toss in quizzes to spice up your content. Oh, and certificates? We've got you covered. Make certificates as fancy or fun as you like, and reward your students. Okay, so tell me, which one do you want? Browsers or buyers? Buyers, right? So transform your browsers into eager buyers with the intuitive landing page builder. Choose from professionally designed templates for a quick and professional start. Elevate sales with high converting checkouts, strategic coupon campaigns, and watch your reach explode with our exclusive Wombat tool, your secret weapon for viral marketing. I know there are apps that we all use for work that we just can't live without, but no worries. You can connect Product Dyno with your existing tools and integrate with popular email services, webinar platforms, file hosting services, and more. Streamline your workflow and unlock maximum efficiency. Speaking of efficiency, you know what's making everybody more efficient these days? You guessed it, AI. With our AI Creator Suite, accelerate your workflow with AI-generated course outlines, lesson content, landing page copy, email drafts, video scripts, and even social media posts, all at your fingertips. And just when you think that's all, no, it's not. Product Dyno offers a plethora of other features, like member management, custom domains, free SSL certificates, personalized emails, team collaboration, business intelligence, licensing, restricted IPs and emails, discussion boards, one-on-one messages, multilingual support, public products, secure file hosting, and many more. Your creations deserve the best, and so do you. Choose Product Dyno and get started today.